Hello, guys. I am so sorry Miss Bland's video is a little late. It has been a crazy day at Bailey Elementary. Phew. Lots going on around here today. So, happy Thursday, Friday. It is Thursday, the 11th day of February, but it is Friday for you because we don't have school tomorrow. So, it's Thursday, Friday. And it's Miss Bland. I hope this video finds you well. We are going to go over some of today's assignments. We're going to make sure everybody is ready for their Friday packet work. Let's see what we can do. First things first, I want you to chill because you have no school tomorrow. Please remember tomorrow there is no Zoom, there is no video, there is no seesaw, there is no packet work, there's no check-ins. It's a Friday off. And Miss Bland is taking Friday off too. So all messages will in dojo will stay in dojo. I will respond on Sunday evening. Virtual rules, you know the drill. The biggest one for our video friends is to find a space that is quiet and you're able to finish your work. Daily language review. Yesterday, you worked on your daily language review. Check your answers against my answers. Make sure that you don't skip any. Check and make sure that your Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday look like my Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I would like for you to pause here and complete Thursday. If you're back, that means you have completed each of the boxes for Thursday. Awesome job. Please make sure that numbers are legible. That means I can read them. I know the spaces are a little small, so write your best. Letterland is Unit 21. You have 12 words that you are focusing on this week. My seesaw was acting really crazy at school this morning. So there is not a normal spelling test. There's one where you just circle the correct way to spell the word. You don't have the one where Miss Bland calls the words out to you. So we'll get a break from that this week. Technology. Gotta love it. But there is a spelling test inside where you are choosing the correct spelling of the word. Please be sure that you complete that in Seesaw by Sunday. In Reading Wonders, we have been dealing with realistic fiction this week as we talked about the Chinese New Year and how awesome it could be. We talked about that our story was realistic fiction because it was something that could happen and it could be real, but this story happens to be fiction or made up. And we focused on that as we talked about our essential question of how are kids around the world different? Our story was Happy New Year. Hopefully, you remember our story and all of the great and wonderful things that she saw in the United States New Year, and then all of the really awesome and cool things she saw as a part of the Chinese New Year. Please reread your story if you need to before you take your test. You have a test inside of your packet. It should be the first day. For Thursday, should say Thursday up in the top. Yours will be in black. Mine is in purple. You will answer each of the questions 1 through 9 dealing with Happy New Year. Are you ready? Pause here if you need to read the story again before you start. Okay, if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Number 1, the genre for Happy New Year is expository text, fantasy, realistic fiction. The genre for Happy New Year is expository text, fantasy, realistic fiction. Remember, if you need more time, you pause after the question. Ms. Bland is going to keep reading. In the United States, New Year's is celebrated on December 31st. True or false? In the United States, New Year's is celebrated on December 31st. True or false? Number 3, Chinese New Year's last blank days. 10, 1, 5. Chinese New Year lasts blank days. 10, 1, 5. Number 4. Red clothing is worn at Chinese New Year for love and happiness, good luck, or sacred symbol? Red clothing is worn at Chinese New Year for happiness and love, good luck, or sacred symbol. Number 5. What is something similar in both New Year's celebrations? Tell me something in the box that both of the celebrations have. Number 6. What was the speaker's favorite part of the USA celebration? The music, the fireworks, or the face paint? What was the speaker's favorite part of the USA celebration? Music, fireworks, face painting. Number 7. What is something different in both New Year's celebrations? I need you to divide your box. Tell me something in the US that was only in the US, and tell me something in China that was only in China. Uh-oh. Couple more seconds to get your answer. All right, number 8. The Lantern Festival is the blank day of Chinese New Year. First day, 10th day, last day. The Lantern Festival is the blank day of Chinese New Year. First day, 10th day, last day. Number 10. What do you think the author's purpose was in writing this story? Why do you think the author wrote this story? Pause here if you need more time to complete this page. Let's look at the back. On the back, we did the top together. We had a short discussion about how titles in a book are capitalized. We don't just capitalize the first part of that title, we capitalize all the important words. So we looked at 3 book titles you probably heard before: Cat in the Hat, Goodnight Moon, and Charlotte's Web. And we capitalized those. We talked about how words like a, in, and the, sometimes when they're in the middle and not the first word, they don't get capital letters. So please look at the 3 titles and write them correctly on your paper, just as we have done on your screen in blue. In the middle, we talked about singular and plural when it's not normal. We sometimes talk about when we make something plural, we just add s to it. We have 1 bat, we have 2 bats. But some words are different. You have 1 foot, but you don't have 2 foots. You have 2 feet. We call those irregular plurals. They're different. They're a different kind of plural than what we're used to. You have 1 pizza. We have 5 pizzas. We put an S on the end. But if we have 1 child and then we have a class full of children, we don't say, ooh, the child was in my room today. So use the words in the red box to fill in the chart with the missing word for the irregular plural for each of these common words. Then complete the box at the bottom. You have 3 past tense verbs. You have the choice of went, did, and said. Choose which one goes correctly into answers 1, 2, and 3. Answer number 4, the answer is saw. There's a typo there. They put the answer in the parentheses. Oops, Ms. Bland didn't make this. So please use the words went, did, and said to fill in blanks 1 through 3 at the bottom. Pause here to complete this page. All right, vocabulary words. We had 8 of them this week. The next page in your packet deals with those words in context. Ms. Bland has given you 2 blue words to choose from. Read the sentence carefully and choose the correct blue word that belongs in that sentence and write it on the line. Pause here to complete. If you need a break, you can have your break time. You can have your break time. If not, we're going to keep going. So we're going to write a letter. We're going to write a letter to a friend. I chose to write my letter to Miss Fernandez. She's my friend. And so we're writing about our special celebration as your family. It could be your birthday. It could be mom's birthday. It could be Christmas. It could be Thanksgiving. It could be what you do for Halloween. It's what you do in your family. I chose Thanksgiving. And then I want you to fill in the 3 sentences that I have written in the 3 boxes. The people that are there, the events that you have, and the food that you eat. And then tell me a closing sentence about your celebration. Is it fun? Is it amazing? Is it awesome? Do you wish everybody could come celebrate with you? Give me a strong closing sentence to finish this writing. Pause here to complete. We didn't do irregular verbs. We skipped straight to math. I had to check. I had to think back to this morning. We skipped to math. When we got to math, I told the boys and girls, Mr. Penguin had a message for them that today you will show what you're learning. I need to see what you know. So we're going to start off with this 2-minute sprint. Get your paper ready. Get yourself ready. We are going to use our 2 minutes wisely. What does it mean to use them wisely, Miss Bland? It means that we're going to take our time and we are going to make sure that it's done to the best of our ability. So sit up in your chair and I'm going to try to get your pencil in your hand, put your packet flat on your desk or table, whatever it is you're working on, and make sure you are so ready. Because when the commercial goes away, it will be time. You only have 2 minutes. Remember, skip what you don't know and go, go, go. One minute left. "20 seconds. Give it all you got. You can do it. Miss Bland believes in you." Stop, 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 stop. Pencil down, pencil down. Oh, I bet you're amazing. Can't wait to see how many you did. All right. Next page, we are going to talk about our word problems. We know that we've been using RDW to do word problems, to read the problem, to draw it out, and to write our answer. We talked this morning, the boys and girls, and I did the first 3 together. We talked about some of our boxes. Drawing is not an option. We drew here just because dealing with that 100 was a little tricky. But for most of your boxes, you're going to have to use that mental math. And you can use your dry erase board if you need to draw a model. Ms. Bland would like for you to copy answers 1, 2, and 3 that have been provided to you. and then complete numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 9. Pause here to complete or complete on the end. Your next page, I want you to be my Valentine. Use the color code at the top to answer the math problems correctly and color that box the coordinating color. I think you are going to be so sweet as the bee. This week for science, we've been talking about penguins. We have had a penguin passage. We've looked at penguin videos. We have been the penguin people. And so today, I want you to use those penguin notes that I hope you've been taking. And I want you to write about the penguin. You need 5 sentences about penguins. Your opening sentence is given to you. Please copy it. Penguins are very special animals. That will be everybody's opening sentence. And then you will write 5 facts about penguins. Right behind this exclamation point, we're writing a report. So we're not skipping lines. We're not putting numbers. We are writing a report. So you will start right here and we will write our 5 facts about penguins. Any questions? Let Ms. Bland know. Dojo, text message, email. Remember that today you can pick up your new computer from 12 to 5. Valentine treats will also be given. iStation and progress reports are inside of your bag as well. There is no Seesaw or packet work tomorrow and no Zoom as it is a teacher work day. So enjoy your day. Have a happy, happy Valentine's Day like the sweet little penguins holding hands. Valentine's Day is on Sunday. Oh, we're almost done. Am I finished? I feel so sleepy like these penguins. Almost. Need to complete your packet pages. All that math we just talked about, you got to go back and do it. Make sure anything you skipped inside your packet, you fix it. When Miss Bland starts a page, unless I say don't finish it, you need to make sure it's done. We're getting some packets in where they do the first ones that I do and they don't go back and finish. I have to mark those as not done. That's an incomplete. Incomplete hurts grades bad. So we finish everything. The ones that I do with you are called models. I model it so that you can go back and finish it and have something to look at when Miss Bland is not there. Make sure you go into Seesaw to complete your work that is listed there. And your Bailey special for today is music. So no, is library media. So make sure you go and read there. Epic, of course, has penguin books if you need a few more facts for your penguin report, or if you just want to read a cool book so I can see what you're reading. I hope you enjoy your day off tomorrow. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on Monday. And the penguin says, bye-bye. So, Ms. Bland hopes you have a great weekend. I'm all ready for Valentine's Day. You should be all ready for Valentine's Day too. See, I got my heart. Oh, my glasses. If you made your PBIS glasses and you want to get your picture on Facebook, send the picture to me or Miss Vester, and she will post it. So that's Miss Bland's glasses. I thought they were kind of cool. I'm in the stripes and polka dots. So if you made your glasses, send a picture to me or Miss Vester, and we'll get those on Facebook with the others. If you didn't make your glasses and you have a few minutes, go ahead and do that. They'd be cool to see. I'd love to see what you come up with. There are 2 crafts inside of your Valentine bag. I sent out a picture in the class story for what they're supposed to look like in case we got some non-crafty people that might need a little help. So they should be fairly simple, and I'm sure you guys will be fine. If you need something, let Miss Bland know. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. Enjoy.